letter of credentials from the appointing me as the High Commissioner to the Republic.
I'm pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most warmly in peace and prosperity. Very pleased to have you here. And I know you're resolute. We have two things in particular to thank the Human Rights Council. Sure,